In this tutorial, you'll learn what states are and the benefits you can gain from them in your apps. Page states provide a versatile solution for dynamically applying various changes to pages. This feature is particularly useful for modifying the user interface, styling, and other properties on the fly. In a nutshell, thanks to states, you can easily handle dynamic UI. After watching this video, you will be able to move on to the next episodes to learn in details how to benefit from states. To start, let's take a tour of the States Sandbox demo to get an overview of what states are. So I select this demo and I install it. I open the demo and I open Qodly Studio. I run a preview and I generate some data to start. I will run the first part of the demo and explain at the same time how states have been set up with Qodly Studio. So this page shows how to work with non-conditional states. When I click on the Hello button here, both the Hello and World buttons are displayed. When I click on the World button, only the Hello button is displayed. And now I'm going to show you how all this has been set up in Qodly Studio. So I open the page, and on this page, let's have a look at the states section. There is the base. On this page, both buttons are displayed. And there is the Hello state. This Hello state is set as the default, so it will be enabled when the page loads. A state is defined by its differences from the original page. In the Hello state, the World button is hidden. And there is the World state. On this state, both buttons are displayed. So back to the base. And when the Hello button is clicked, standard actions have been set up. The Hello state is disabled. And the World state here is enabled. So let's run again the demo. I click on the Hello button and the World state is enabled and both buttons are displayed. Let's take a look at what happened when the World button is clicked. So when this World button is clicked, standard actions have also been set up. The World state is disabled and the Hello state is enabled. And let's verify this in the demo. Here I click on the World button and the Hello state is enabled. You will find more information about non-conditional states on the documentation. And thank you for watching.